everyone, welcome back. Today I have a really exciting unboxing to share with you. This is an item that I did not think I would be able to get. I am so excited that I did. It is from 21S and I'm going to get right into the unboxing to show you. This is a true unboxing. I did see it because I picked it up in the store, but this is a true unboxing. I just got home from the store and I am just so excited to see it again because it is beautiful. So here is the box. This is an item that we only received one of in Canada for some reason. I don't know why. And my amazing SA was able to get it for me. So the black tissue should give you a clue as to what it could be. And the beautiful white dust bag should also give a clue. And the special booklet. Okay, so here is the dust bag to reveal. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. Okay, let me get the tissue off so you can see what it is. As you can see, it is a classic flap, and it is in the medium size. This is not something I purchase very often. I only have one other medium classic flap in my collection, but this color is so stunning. It's coming up actually fairly true to color on camera. I have some natural light behind me right now, so it is the iridescent calf skin in the 21S green. They call it green. It is more like a turquoise. It is absolutely stunning. Turquoise is my favorite color, as many of you who know me know. And yeah, this one, we only got one in all of Canada, and my SA was able to transfer it to her store, and I'm just so amazed because I did not think that that would happen considering it was the only one. Yeah, it's the iridescent turquoise calfskin, just like my pink mini, if you saw that unboxing that I did a couple of weeks ago. It is also the iridescent calfskin, so same leather as that one. This one is, yeah, it's the same leather, it's just a different color, and I feel like, I don't know, it almost feels a little more sturdy in the medium size for some reason. I'm not sure why, but it is absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh, I am so happy to have gotten this color. It is my favorite color, and yeah, when I saw a photo of this on the Purse forum, I was like, oh my gosh, I need to track that down. It isn't every day that a really beautiful turquoise shade comes up in an iridescent color, and I love that it's in calfskin. Yeah, I'm trying to show you the iridescence. It's super pretty. It's subtle, but it's so pretty. And it's got the light gold hardware. It has the sticker still on. I'll take that off later. It's just lots of felt in here just to give you an idea. Oh, it's so pretty. I am so happy with it. This color is just amazing. I think this is the best turquoise color I've had so far in a Chanel bag. Okay, I'm gonna keep this short, but I did want to share it with you guys because I'm just so excited to have been able to get this color. I know there are more available in the US, so if you're in the US and are interested in this color, it should be easier to get there. Here, I don't know, they just don't order a whole lot here, and for some reason only one store ordered this, and it was not in Toronto, and yeah, so I was really lucky that my SA was able to get it transferred. I'm gonna leave it there and keep this short. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.